What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Ell&Kell. This video I will explain to you why you need to install a Nema charger either in your garage or in your apartment. Why you need to install one right now. First things first, I'll start out by explaining to you the components that you'll need. We went ahead and got the Nema adapter 1450 for our Tesla Model Y. You can get it on the Tesla website or get it on Amazon. Basically, the reason why we chose this, according to the chart, on the left-hand side, you can see the type of adapter it has, and on the boxes to the right, the 1450 has the best ratio for the amount of charge per hour, which is 29 miles. Most importantly, the outlet. We got this Leviton brand, I don't know how you pronounce it, potato. We bought it at Home Depot. You can also get it on Amazon. Basically, it has pretty good reviews, and we've had it for about a month now, and no, it has not melted, so I think that's a good sign to keep. Once you have your adapter and the outlet, next thing is this circuit breaker. This is a 240 volt 50 amp. Make sure that the back of it is compatible to fit in your circuit box. The first one that I got wasn't, so just make sure you know what you're doing. I'm not an electrician, so if I said something wrong or did something wrong, please let me know in the comments so I don't continue to embarrass myself. Thank you. Just to give you more of a background, my father-in-law is a general contractor, so he encouraged and helped me install this Nema charger. The number one thing that was most intimidating for me was cutting and making a hole in my wall. Luckily, that's the easiest thing to repair. And since you'll be adding a new outlet, you're most likely going to have to cut through the wall to make your life easier. From the pieces that you cut, you can take those to Home Depot and they'll help you find the same color for you to paint over. As you can see here, that's a switch box, and you will use that to host your outlet and make sure it's secured in place. Now the wiring, we bought this 6/3 wire at Home Depot. You can get it on Amazon. It's $4.54 per foot, so just measure how much you need and add 1 or 2 more feet just in case you mess up. The wire consists of 4 cables and you'll have to peel the ends of it in order for you to see them. The white one here, this is called the ground, and just open the circuit box and look where all the other grounds are. Mine are located at the top, so make sure you screw those in good. This wire has two 120 volts, and this copper wire is the neutral. So you just look for them. All my neutrals are at the bottom, so that's where it goes. So if you're using this same black 6/3 wire and the outlet, it should all connect with each other just fine. It should have connections for the white ground wire, the 2 black and red power wires, and the copper neutral wire. So just make sure you tighten these wires really good onto the outlet. This is the last thing you'll need. This pretty much just goes on top of the outlet so it looks all shiny and nice. Here we have the almost finished final product. We have the circuit breaker mounted onto the box with both 120 volt powers, the outlet fully mounted onto the switch box, and the wires running from the outlet within the wall to the circuit box. So here is the final result. This is after we patched the wall and waited for it to dry off the paint. Just taking off the adapter, looking at it, plugging it into the 1450, and we are ready to go. So the car is now plugged in. We have 57%, 3 hours to go, 32 amps running through. This is a significant upgrade from the original 120 volt adapter. We'd have to wait over 20 hours to get a full charge, but now we can just have it during off-peak hours and have a full charge every morning. So even if you have to pay an electrician to do this, I recommend you buying the supplies and only paying them for their time. So if you like this video and want to see more, help us out by liking and sharing this video. We have some very exciting news coming up real soon and we want to share it with you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Catch you guys later.